friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Matka water filter. Let's start the experiment. We need 3 matkas to make water filter. Take 2 pots, make 5 holes at the bottom. Make 5 holes at the center of third pot. Now fill the tap to the pot. Like this, the side. Take another pot. Now take some cotton. Place it inside. Put some sand.
Sand filtration is used for the removal of suspended matter as well as floating and sinkable particles.
Now keep another cotton.
The purpose of using charcoal in water filter is it removes toxins from the water without stripping the water of salts and important minerals.
Keep some cotton.
The purpose of using stones is to enhance filtration process and remove impurities.
Keep the pot on top of another pot. It will look like this. Take some water. This will fill dirty. When you add this water inside the pot, the particle inside the pot will filter dirty water into pure water. Close the lid. The water is so clean. a water filter good for health. We will get pure and clean water. No need of electricity. So much for back.
Health benefits of Matka water filter. It purifies the water naturally. Drinking water from fridge can cause soreness and itching in the throat. Matka pot has ideal temperature, which is gentle on throat. Rehydrates the body quickly and prevents from sunstroke during summers. Water stored in a Matka pot has no chemicals, thus drinking clay pot every day can boost metabolism. Because of its low cost and health benefits, we can use Matka water filter in schools, anganwadi, and even in our homes to prevent ourselves from diseases.
For more videos, like, share, or subscribe. Bye bye.